Hello friends, today I will show you how to change call ringtone on Facebook Messenger. So let's see. First you go to Messenger. Okay, then you click on here. Okay, then you scroll down. Now here you see option notifications and sounds. You click on this. Okay, from here you click on free call ringtone. Okay, now you select the ringtone that you want to set. Okay, for example I am selecting this one. Okay, after selecting ringtone you click on OK. Okay, done. You see ringtone has been changed. I hope by using this method you can change call ringtone on Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.